As you can see here, this is the home screen of the weather application, and you can pretty much track the weather with this application here. And this application helps you track snow, rain. As you can see here, is pretty much identify snow, I would say. As you can see over here. As well, it can give you weather predictions up to 24. So if I do tap on the play option, I'll be able to see what will be happening next in the next 24 hours as it relates to this application here. So you can use the snow, view the snow information, and this will pretty much need a subscription. So do keep in mind, some of these, if not all of these features on this application here may require a subscription. So do keep that in mind. So if I do tap on the option here, I'll be able to see what I'll be able to see here. I can pretty much predict the weather predictions for this application here is up to 24 hours. But if I do get the subscription, I'll be able to use the 72 hours option here. As you can see here again, you have the radar option, you have the temperature forecast option, you have the cloud cover forecast option, you have the snow detection option, you have the hurricane tracker and lightning tracker. As well, you can enable this feature here, but you're going to need a subscription. So most of these features for this weather application here requires a subscription. So here you'll be able to view
name
just a few ads. You may see a few ads, so all I have to do is just pretty much X off those ads. But here you'll be able to pretty much navigate the weather, the world will be able to see weather forecasts and so forth. As well, you can tap on this option here to pinpoint your location. You have to give it access to your location, and it will give you your location directly. As well as you can see here, you can zoom in a bit as it relates to specific states and so forth. You can see here over here I have a bit of snow. As well, you can see the places that currently have snow. As you can see here, you can pretty much look at the map and see where pretty much have snow. Canada here, it's covered in snow, as you can see here. So that's really pretty much it for the application. As well, it does give you the option as it relates to the rain and so forth. So and that's really pretty much it. And these features are for the lightning tracker, the hurricane tracker, and also the fire outbreak tracker. But these you're gonna need a subscription to use those. So if I do tap on any one of these, let's say for example this one or this one, or select something from the list over here, for example the temperature option on this here, will be much directly to their subscription page, which is this here. So the Clime Pro, you're gonna need to get the Clime Pro subscription to be able to view everything as it relates to hurricane, lightning, and pretty much all the weather updates for this application here, and be able to change from the temperature forecast and the cloud forecast and these other options here as well. So that's pretty much it for this weather application. If you have think that I've missed something, feel free to comment below. And with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.